Here we go. There we go. Can't warrant it, won't be charging for it, but it's going to help the landlord, my landlord out. My landlord that I'm working for today. Next little challenge then, guys. I just started this. I mean, to be honest, I perhaps don't even need to do this around this one. She'll perhaps be happy with this, but we're going to help her out. It's been filled with all sorts. What have you filled it with? That concrete stuff, ain't you? Be super careful doing this, guys. This is not ideal to be doing this. I'm doing this because I'm aware of the risks and dangers. I know what I can and can't touch. You want to turn the electric off when you do this, because the second you pull this socket forward, if you touch something and you're blind to it, you're getting a shock.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got a new leg put in there. How do I know that? Because we've got blue and brown and we've got red and black. So we've got old wiring and new wiring. Also need this one forward. And then is what I'm going to do, guys. So make sure you guys can see. Then once I've got all these sockets forward, I'm then going to mix up some easy fill and fill away. Break them out and let's do these as let's do them all. Proper job.